Hey, so I am making dill pickles today. This is a lacto-fermented pickle. This is not a canned pickle, so this is not for storage on the shelf. You're going to ferment it and then you're going to put it in your refrigerator. The recipe I am using is from this book. It's called Nourishing Traditions. This is a great book if you ever want to get into fermenting, and lots of healthy eating information in this book. But this is their pickled cucumbers recipe. All I did was I took my cucumbers, I washed them, I cut off the blossom end, and then I stuffed this jar. Most of them are whole. I think I had one that was big, and so I cut it in half. But yeah, just whole pickles, stuff your jar full. And then I had one large clove of garlic that I put in here. I actually cut it in half. There's 2 pieces in there. I then added a tablespoon of mustard seed and a tablespoon of dill seed. If you have fresh dill, I'm sure it's probably better, but all I had was dried, and so that's what I did. If you have fresh dill, I'd probably do 2 tablespoons of dill seed. That's what the recipe calls, is 2 tablespoons of dill seed. Got my my garlic cloves in there. I then added salt. So recipe calls for sea salt. I don't have sea salt. I have canning salt. I am sure sea salt probably has lots of good minerals and stuff in there that this canning salt might not. But just don't use table salt, because you're going to end up with a cloudy brine. It's got too much fillers in it. So skip the table salt. Use a nice clean salt. Then I added my brine. And the way I made that is I simply mixed 4 tablespoons of this whey in with 1 cup of water. I'm a little shy on the amount, and so I'm going to have to make another batch and top this off. But the whey, this is simply a byproduct of yogurt. You can make it with kefir. I just made mine with my homemade yogurt. All I did was put the yogurt in a cheesecloth bag, let it hang and drip. The yogurt gets thick, and it turns into kind of like a cream cheesy consistency. And then this whey is what you want to put in with your pickles to get that fermentation started. So after I top this off, because it's not topped off yet, I will put a lid on it. I will leave it out on my counter for 3 days and let it ferment, and then it is ready to go in the fridge for storage. So I will type up the recipe, put it on get it in a post. I'll put a link down below for you to check it out. But fermented pickles, check it out. You might like the recipe. Have a great day.